Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Flash Custom Transfers brought to you by Straight Outta Content, or Straight Outta Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. Either way, I don't know, but in today's video, we are showing you our brand new Uvdtf. We are out with the old and we are in with the new. So here we go. We have our new, whoa.
Be careful.
We have our brand new Uvdtf. Again, you guys know we are always evolving. Oh, this is one gang sheet.
22 by 24.
22 by 24. I don't even know how big this is.
21 inches wide.
21 inches wide, as you guys can see. Uvdtf that is now on clear see-through film. So the same great product as before, just now on see-through film so that you can actually see better whenever you're laying it out, even though whenever you do peel it from here, but we just really wanted to change the look. He got two gang sheets. Two gang sheets, I'm sorry.
So the second one is a different, oh no, two of these. Two of these, and then
he got a big roll of regular apparel DTF too.
I think, yeah. So he has about 10 22 by 60s, 6 22 by 36, and 2 Uvdtfs. 2
Uvdtfs, all for his trucking company. Again, we are here to help your business grow. That is what we are designed to do. Everybody out there who's kind of entering the industry, right? Kind of just learning and stuff like that, we're definitely there for you too, but we are really going after those big businesses. We want those big contracts here at Flash Custom Transfers, and this is just proof of that. So go ahead and tell them about it. Can you give us a little?
Yeah, well, I set this gang sheet up for him. He did have vectored images. So when you do email us to order, you would just send us up your images. If you don't have vectored images, we can help you vector those with our in-house graphic designer. I was able to lay these out for him. If you're not able to, we can do that for you. And this is going on the side of his truck. So he wanted it as big as possible. And with the vector that he had, we were able to make it as big as possible without dropping the resolution.
Yeah.
Some images that you have, they might be high resolution at, let's say 3 inches, you make them 21 inches, the resolution drops. With the vector image, that cuts all those issues out with sizing images. So he wanted to put this on the side of his truck, and I think it's gonna look amazing. I went the biggest that I could. I could have went 22, but I didn't want to run into any issues, so I just went 21. And he was very pleased. He's very excited. So shout out to, I forgot his name. I don't think it's Mark. I think he's doing this for, I'm not really sure.
Oh. I'm
not really sure, but shout out to him. And he was able to get a lot of DTF as well for shirts. So he pretty much got, we're a one-stop shop. He got decals, weedless decals for his vehicle, and he got a whole bunch of transfers for merchandise, for apparel.
And look at the quality. You can go ahead and talk.
Yeah, the quality, and it all has to do with his vectors as well.
So this is the apparel DTF. Look at the quality. It's printed on a new film. That's why you see that shine. And like she said, he had these vectored images, but if we had to vector them ourselves, we can definitely do that. Was he a member? Not sure.
I don't remember, honestly.
Well, just tell him the benefits if you are.
Yes, if you are a member, then you can $8.99 per month, and you get access to discounts off of Uvdtf, regular DTF, shipping, expedited shipping, and gang sheet setup. For non-members, our gang sheet setup is $25, and for members, it is $15. And if you get over, if you pay over, oh, I think he was a member now that I'm thinking about it, because I just saw his shipping label, and he got free shipping because his order was over $200.
There you go.
So with the membership, you also can qualify for free shipping over $200.
Yes, so please, as I get back on camera here.
And like we said, this is 22 by 24. If you do need a longer Uvdtf, please contact us. We can give you those custom quotes.
Yes.
I know we have 22 by 12 and 22 by 24 just on the website, but if you're interested in 22 by 60, just contact us and we can give you those pricing.
Yeah, definitely. And I was gonna say his logo could have probably been bigger, but with the trees and stuff like that, it might have messed up the distortion, and that's not something that we wanna do. But if there is a way that we can kind of rotate this and make it the whole size, we would definitely try to do that. It just all depends on your logo. But what I did want to, and I'll end this video real quick, because we're going to do another video on Flash Custom Transfers YouTube channel, so definitely check out that, where we have some more Uvdtf and some business ideas that we would suggest to you whenever you're trying to grow your business, like with the Burdol pecan. What is it? Burdol? Anyway, so with the pecan stuff. But I just wanted to say that whether or not this gentleman is doing the job for Mark's Lawn Service or Lawn Care, or this is Mark's Lawn Care, either way, with this product, you're gonna take your business to that next level, because when somebody walks by on the side of your truck and they touch this doesn't exist. This only exists with a white background.
Yeah.
Like your traditional sticker, kind of like we seen on the car and stuff like that. So that's where we're going to be. I'm going to be doing some things. I'll probably do something on the car, whatever. But we just really want to take everybody else's business out there to the next level. So everybody, everybody's usually able to do this, the merch, right? But now the same graphics that you have on your merch, when he steps out of that truck, he's going to be wearing it. It's going to be on his truck or on his, whatever it may be. And it's just going to continue to elevate. So that's what we are here to do. Yep.
To be that person, the kind of like what's his name was talking about last night, he has to implement in his business for all the other businesses to see how it works well from him.
Yeah.
So Mark Lawn Care will be providing this on his truck and the merch, and then other people will inquire, hey, that's really good product on your truck. Where did you get that? Hey, these are really good shirts. Yeah. Business owners are always looking to promote their own business. And, as we see a whole gift bag over there full of things, business owners, promotion. That's all we want to do is market and promote our own business. So these are definitely the tools to help you get there. And Flash Custom Transfers is a company to help you get there as well, to kind of show you what you need to do and the proper ways you need to have your file and dimensions and things like that. So we're going to help you take your business to the next level.
Yes, same great price, just a higher quality product. We will always continue to maximize the quality of our products and try to keep the price the same, because we are getting better with our product, but the price is still staying the same. And like she said, if you are a member, you will get those discounted prices as well. So that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna show some more Uvdtf, and from now on, you might see the old, you might see like a little bit of this. I think we are all phased out of this though at the warehouse stuff, but you might see some, but this is it. Everything from now on Uvdtf side will be this clear film, this clear awesome film. So hit us up at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com if you have any questions, or you can just go ahead and visit the website at flashcustomtransfers.com and just get your order started. Just start with something small. Again, this is only $45, but it was probably $39.99 because he's a member.
Yes, and then we have a 22 by 12 if you're not ready to commit so much to the larger sheet. We have a 22 by 12, and you're able to, and this one's $19.99. If you're a member, it's $16.99. And you're able to, look how many images you're able to fit on there. And those are decent sizes. Yeah. So if you were to put it left chest, this isn't for apparel, sorry. But this is for all hard surfaces. So you can stick these anywhere. Imagine passing these out for promotion here. Stick it on the back of your phone, stick it on a cup, stick it on a tumbler, anything like that, on your vehicle, your glasses.
Yes, so stay tuned, because that's what we're going to talk about in the Flash Custom Transfers YouTube channel. That's what we're going to talk about, what he wanted these for, because he wanted them small so that he could pass them out, because he has like a luxury clothing store.
Oh, okay.
And that's the name of it, Lux Limited. So I'm so glad that you kind of touched on that, because we will expand on that in the next video. All right, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. We didn't want to make it too long. Stay tuned for the next one, and please go back and watch all the other videos. Get well informed with this process, because it's very new. You haven't seen it on the market yet. Maybe I haven't seen it, the clear film.
I've seen it a little bit on TikTok with the wraps. Okay. With the tumbler wraps. People have stacks and stacks, but I haven't seen them without tumbler wrapping.
Oh, or like in a gang sheet?
Yeah, with just, your own personal things.
Yeah. All right, guys. That's going to be it for this video. Be basic. Peace.